Hello everybody, we're making cinnamon roll today. We need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1 pinch of salt. Yep. Shift all the ingredients so we can mix it properly. And there's some lumps, it's gonna clean up everything. Mix very well. We have to put 3 tablespoons melted butter. One-fourth cup milk. Add in. Mix all the ingredients. Try to make a dough. Mix very well and make not hard, not liquidy dough. Knead the dough properly and set aside. For filling, we need 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon softened butter, and cinnamon as your taste. Almost half tablespoon. It could be fine. Mix all the ingredients. Brown sugar, cinnamon, and butter. So we're gonna put this filling inside the dough. Mix properly. Put dry flour on the surface and take the dough. We're gonna roll this dough properly. Put the dry flour on the rolling pin too. So our dough is ready. We have to clean up this dry flour. Take the filling and try to spread all around the dough. Next, you have to roll carefully and very tight. So do you see this side? So you have to pinch it out so the stuffing can come outside. Pinch it really tight. Oil the baking sheet. So cut the pieces evenly. pick individual piece and put it on the baking sheet. It's gonna make approximately 15 to 8 pieces, depend on your oven. So I set the oven for 450 for 15 minutes. Just put it in the oven so we can make it properly. See, our cinnamon bun is ready. Let's check it out. Cinnamon bun is ready. You guys can enjoy. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.